Looking for a simple way to expand your device's storage without breaking the bank? The Kashin 16GB microSD card 2-pack offers a practical solution to keep your photos, videos, and apps organized and accessible. Whether you're snapping shots on your smartphone or capturing action on a dashcam, these cards deliver dependable performance you can count on. I've used these microSD cards across multiple devices, from my tablet to a drone, and the results have been consistent. Each card holds 16 GB, giving you plenty of room to separate files and manage your data efficiently. Plus, the included SD adapter makes switching between devices seamless, especially when you need to move files quickly between cameras and computers. What sets these cards apart is their speed and reliability. Thanks to the UZI standard, you get read speeds up to 75 megabytes per second and write speeds of 10 megabytes per second. That means smooth full HD video recording and fast transfers of high-resolution photos or large apps. No lag, no interruptions, just steady performance whether you're gaming, filming, or working. Durability matters when you're on the go, and Kashin doesn't disappoint. These cards resist water, shock, X-rays, and extreme temperatures, so your data stays safe no matter where you take them. It's peace of mind that's especially valuable for outdoor adventures or busy workdays. If you're juggling multiple devices, game consoles, surveillance cameras, smartphones, or drones, this 2-pack gives you the flexibility to keep all your essentials backed up and ready. The green and black design is easy to spot, and the SD adapter broadens compatibility, making file sharing effortless across platforms. Worth a look if you want affordable, dependable storage that keeps pace with your digital life. No more worrying about running out of space or losing data when it matters most. These microSD cards handle everything from everyday tasks to demanding recording sessions with ease. If that's you, the Kashin 16GB microSD card 2-pack is ready to upgrade your storage game. Try it when you're ready to enjoy faster transfers, reliable durability, and the convenience of extra space for all your devices.